What is going on? So I made $2,128 today. I took 3 trades, best trades of the day. Actually, in the yesterday's video that I made, link would be somewhere in that corner right at the top if you want to watch that. So we basically used the same strategy today. Same strategy, 3 trades and beautiful returns. We made 2,100, and not only just me, everybody in the team printed 1,500. 390, 140, 1% of the account. You're the true MVP, the GOAT. 122, 224, 76, 100%, 31%, 60%, $250, $1,100. That's mine, $216. So everybody in the chat printed, right? Now, if you want to join the Discord, the link should be down there. But anyway, let me explain the strategy, what the strategy is. So, okay, first thing first. If a name is trending yesterday, this is yesterday. If the name started trending yesterday, in the pre-market, we are kind of in a nice trend, or we are holding these gains. Now, imagine this. If you are a big money trader and you went long somewhere around here or somewhere around here, right? And you are up, let's say you did 10,000 shares. Now, price moved $10 and you're up $100,000 and you held till this morning. Now, what's the first thing you're gonna do? You know what? Let me take some profits. Right, let me sell half, let me book some gains, right? So when people start booking some gains, stocks usually come down. Why? Because when you sell, what happens? Because you bought a position, now you need to sell. That means the selling pressure increases. That's where the prices start going lower. But there comes a point where the demand increases the supply, where come all the people like me who are watching these strategies, they try to buy the contracts and the prices bounce. So this is the point which we are looking for. Where would this bounce? Now, very good question. So the strategies that I'm gonna explain today, it will actually break down how we can find out this exact point. Now, it cannot be exact point. It can sometimes differ a little bit, but you get the point, right? If we know every time we're gonna bounce, then we'll be too rich, right? We'll be too rich. But it doesn't work this way. So let's see how we can find this and how I got these points for 3 trades that I took. Okay, let's talk about this. All right, so first things first, the first trade that I took was on Tesla. Now, we made a pre-market game plan. Look at this pre-market webinar. I'll send a link. Every single day we do a pre-market webinar, and we made a plan with everybody that right before the market opened, Tesla, I'm looking for a bounce at 176.3 to 176.5. Okay, 176.3 to 176.5 was the bounce area that I was looking at, which is roughly around this area. Now, why was I looking at that? So yesterday we had a decent trend. Very nice trend. Even after market close, we had a very nice trend. So this morning, I wanted to draw a Fibonacci from the lowest point of yesterday to the highest point available so far. Now, this is where I got these points, like this point. Why didn't I take this point? I didn't respect that point because we already broke below that in the pre-market. I wanna see something that hasn't broken so far. And also, previously we were holding this area very nice as well. Look at this, right? Now, what I'm looking for is an area of confluence. A confluence simply means when more than one critical point is sitting at the same price point. Okay, so we went on a 60-minute chart, right? We went on a 60-minute chart and we found, okay, this is the exact level. So 5-minute chart again. Now, how this went, this was this complete area that I was looking for a bounce, right? Now you got the point. 176.5 to 176.3 was I was looking for. And now let's see how I go. Market about to open, and I told everybody the star is my main watch for the day. Tesla was my main watch right at the market open, right? Now, how did it go? Market about to open. We went to my level. This is exactly where we bought. It made it such a beautiful move. Look at this. It went from 176.5 to all the way to 180. Wow, that's a $3.50 move. It happened like this. So we printed on this, right? That was the reason why I entered. You got it, right? Now, next trade was on SPY, right? Now, what was I watching on SPY? So we made a game plan. I was looking for SPY for a bounce at 419.4 to 419.75 or 418.5. So this was the bounce area and this was the bounce area, but let's see how the market went. And now first, why was I watching the area? Again, I went from the lowest point of yesterday to the highest point available so far. This is how I got these areas, right? Now you got it, 419.4 to 419.5. Why? Because area of confluence. which is the area holding. This area, because it's a fib level, towards, moving towards 7.5 right here. Now why? Because in the pre-market, in after hours, we were holding this area, then broke out. In the pre-market, we were holding this. So I wanted to watch that area, or 418.5, just in case it came down, right? Now how did it go? Market about to open. Market opened right here, 418 point, this level right here, 419.8. So it was, I know it was 5 cents off, but what I was watching was a little zone where we can bounce, right? You get my point. It's only 5 cents off. So this was the reason why we entered in SPY around here, because we were looking for a bounce to take to the high of like somewhere around here. Now this was a decent bounce as well. Now this is a dollar bounce, very good trade. Same strategy used on 2 different trades, right? And beautiful trade. It kind of made a decent move, held this area, and pretty much like I was happy with this gains. Okay, now the third one, for which is Nvidia. Now for Nvidia, we made a plan. Nvidia bounced 312.5 to 313.2 because it was a bit wide area, so we were watching that bounce. Now why did that? What was I watching for that bounce? Exactly. Let's make a plan. Okay, lowest point to the highest point available, right? Now this level already broke in the pre-market, so I'm not watching this level, I'm watching the next level. Now yesterday we were holding this area very strong. Look at this. Yesterday we were holding this particular area very strong. This is why I was watching as a confluence, because yesterday we broke out, then came back, bounced twice, and we're still holding above it, right? So now the market, let's see how the market went. Got a 5-minute chart, and boom, look at this. It bounced from this exact level, 312.5, to all the way down, all the way up to 315.5. Now that is again a $3 move bounce. Beautiful. So we were done within first 15 minutes of the market open. We already made the money, and we're like, man, I'm done. Like, this is too good, right? First 15 minutes in the day on a Friday, the best, right? Use the same strategy after a trendy day, and we nailed 3 different trades. So now everybody made a lot of money, right? Now, if you want to join the Discord for less than $5 a day, hey, less than $5 a day, and you get a pre-market game plan, you get live voice, you have other multiple admins who are trading with you live every single day, right? Look at this, trading with you live every single day, sending out the alerts every day, right? And then you want educational material, which is only for the Discord community, which I'm not going to get into right this channel, because everything's recordings. Every single thing is in this channel. We have plenty, like 50+ video recording, right? And then you can take part in the challenges where there are multiple giveaways for, like, I can buy you a computer setup or monitors or anything that you want, or according to the challenge. So if you follow this setup, if you follow these challenges, you are going to make so much money, you have no idea. Okay, now you can take part in the challenges, you can take part in books club, right, where we read books together, we share the lessons, we share everything, right? And then there's the calendars there, how we do everything, right? And everybody prints, man. Beautiful, right? Why not? Right? So if you want to join the Discord, the link is the first link in the description. And by the way, if you want to watch the whole video, which I was talking about how I broke down the strategy yesterday and we are taking trades today and we made money, check out the video right in that corner. I think make sure you subscribe to the channel